Hello everyone! I'm Olivia and welcome to Olivia LittlestPetShop. Now today, I'm so happy right now. You would not believe the Generation 2 LPS are back! Well, sort of. I officially believe, and I've seen tons of LPS Tube videos about this, I believe that we have a new generation of LPS, totally new, totally fresh and exciting. We are finally getting our old LPS back. They have bobbleheads, their heads don't come off, they don't have any holes. They do have all new molds, but I think that's okay. So, for today's video, I picked up 2 of the new Generation 5 LPS. As you can see, I have a dog and a cat, and I thought because those are the most popular types of LPS, at least Generation 2, we had the short-haired Persian cats, those types, and then we had like Great Danes and collies and stuff, so I thought I'd pick up 2 cats and kind of just open them up and show you guys what a new LPS kind of looks like. So, before I open these up, I'm going to go grab a couple of my Generation 2 dogs and cats, and then I'll kind of compare them. So, I'll be right back. So, I am back. I just grabbed my Generation 2 dogs and cats. Some of them that look kind of similar. That was kind of weird when I just did. I paused it and then I went and got them. It doesn't seem like I did any time, but I went and got them. So yeah, I'm just gonna show you guys. I brought 3 of each. I have, here, let me take off the accessories. I have a Great Dane here, Generation 2 Great Dane. I use her as a girl, but I thought they kind of look, this dog kind of looks like a Great Dane, just in sort of the way he looks and stuff. And then I also brought one of these dogs. Was it a German Shepherd? Is that what they call this one? Or a Terrier? But I brought one of these ones to compare. And I brought a Chihuahua to compare. And then, for the cats, I brought 2 of my Persians to compare. And then I brought one of my short-haired leg-up cats to compare. So, there we have it. Now, which one are we going to open up first? I guess we'll do the dog first. Okay, so, really cute, really adorable. He has a name, and this is another, like, example that they're a new generation. They have a new logo, whole new background, and they even say Series 1. So, obviously, Hasbro has brought out a new generation of LPS, and I really actually like them. I really do. I like their new molds and everything. Here's the back. So as you can see, comes with a few accessories and then a mini one. And then here's the list. And I thought I was gonna, I saw the rooster and I really wanted the rooster, but I ended up not. But I think I'm gonna go back and pick him up because he's cute. So they give him a name, but I don't really care about those too much. Let's get right into it. I am so excited. Like, we wanted our Generation 2 LPS back so badly, and now we finally have them. I'm gonna go out and say it. We finally have them. So, there we go. It comes with a collector's guide, which I really like. I already have a couple of these new generations. That's where I keep them above me, but yeah. So here's the list. We can go over that in a bit more detail later, if I remember. Here it is. It's even packaged similar to the way they used to, with the tie and everything. Okay. So we're going to pop them out. And we'll get the accessories. So here is the large pet. I'm going to call him a he because he has no eyelashes and just kind of has that sort of stance to him. He's a gray dog, pink nose, blue eyes, and I'm getting so many similarities to the old LPS. They have the bobblehead. One difference is their actual head material. They're kind of more rubbery like the old ones, but they're still very similar. Their heads don't come off. There are no holes on him at all. And then he has the imprinted LPS sign. So he's kind of in a lying stance, which is actually kind of cute. Now, what Hasbro is doing right now is they have 3 LPS sizes. They have the regulars, the minis, and the teensies. So this set came with one of the teensies, and they're actually kind of cute. I think that LPS tubers could really use them to their advantage. They're really cute. They're very tiny, like very tiny. And then we have an accessory, so I'm pretty sure what they're doing is this is the mail set. So we have mail, a mailbox, and then a little mail visor for the dog, which is cute. And there we go. It kind of connects behind his ears. And that's really cute, actually. Really cute. There we go. So, now, the important part, and I think I can actually bend this. I don't want to ruin it. Oh, there we go. Yeah, so you can open and close the mailbox. Like so. Which is an awesome accessory for LPS tubers. Let's put out there. So, I'm going to do some comparing. So, yeah, this is Generation 5. Yeah, 5. For a second there. And now we have a Generation 2. As you can see, they're very similar in size. This guy has floppy ears. I'm going to call him a Great Dane, but this guy pointy ears, but they're very similar. Like, you can tell that they're both LPS. Like, if you compared them, if you gave these to someone who wasn't really, like, totally, like, you know, what's the word I'm looking for? Totally, like, sure of what the different generations are, I bet they'd think that they're pretty similar. And they're actually really cute. This is kind of comparing them. They are very similar. They're very cute, and I think LPS tubers should give these a try because they bobble. They're perfect. They are adorable. So let's do the cat now. So we have her name is Viola. It's cute, and the same thing with the pattern, the logo, and the series. And then again, here's the back. And let's give her an open. So again, we have a checklist, which are my favorite. I love looking at the checklists, like so. And then we're going to take her out. We have a little tiny couch. We have the teensy, who probably is supposed to sit on the couch. We're going to take her out, and she has a white sort of string. And is also wearing a head accessory, so that's cute. And then just a hairbrush kind of accessory. So here she is. She is so cute. I really do genuinely like her. Her eyes are so expressive. Her little pink nose and her pink blush is so beautiful. She's wearing a crown, so I imagine her to be quite a popular LPS. Oh, so cute. Now one thing they're doing is, as you can see, her tail is kind of oddly flat. That's so, I saw a picture, that's so the little one. That's so the little one is supposed to kind of lie on the tail, but can I balance it? Yes, I can. So that is, she's really cute. Other than that little flat part, which I wouldn't have personally liked, but like, I mean, she's still really cute. Like I said before, her head doesn't come off. There's no holes. There is her little LPS sign at the back. And then she does come up with the crown, and it comes off, and it wraps right around her ears in the back there, which is really cute. Like, you guys, the camera doesn't do these two pets justice. Holy, there he goes. They are really cute. They're really cute. So now let's do a bit of comparing with the cat. I'll just take her crown off for now. So here's another one. As you can see, their eyes are a bit different, but I kind of like them better, to be honest. Is that weird? I like them a lot. They're very similar in size and even their head shape with the hair and everything. They're very similar. So Generation 2, Generation 5. And then I brought a couple Persians to compare to. Again, very similar. Very similar. So guys, that's me unboxing everything and showing you guys. I'll just give you a little show of all the animals. And then on the back we have the rare black and white collection. I actually did see the bunny, but someone in Walmart totally ruined it, so I didn't buy it. But really cute. I like that frog. Oh my gosh, it's cute. But yeah, guys, I think we finally have our old LPS back. I totally recommend you guys check out the Generation 5 LPS because seriously, I am loving them. They're so cute, and as you can see, comparing them, they're very similar. So that was a cat and a dog, the two most popular LPS animals out there. Like I said before, go check them out because I think in my heart, we finally have the old LPS back, and I'm like, yes, finally, hallelujah. We have them back, and I'm so excited. I've seen Jerryberry do a few unboxings of these and a few other types, a few other LPS tubers. I think it's really awesome. So, as you can tell, I'm very excited, and I'm excited to do more unboxings of these. So, I gotta go, but I'll see you guys in the next video. Make sure to like, subscribe, comment, share, and tell all your friends, and hit that notification button because that's a thing. I already said I gotta go, but I officially gotta go.
Did you ever feel so bad inside?